my family and also Grace's family to come here today. Thank you all. Na sana kasama mo kayo ni Ivy sa paglaki, lalo na yung kanyang mga kaibigan, at naging wish ko lang na sana be a good girl also and fear in God also. So thank you at magandang umaga sa lahat.
Happy birthday, Ivy. God bless you always. Ivy, Sibing Palong.
Alright.
Happy birthday. I hope you... Happy birthday, Ivy. I hope you have a memorable 7th birthday.
Happy birthday, Ivy. I wish you a good girl.
Happiest birthday as you grow a wonderful woman. And I wish that every dream na i-wish mo, i-realize mo. Happy birthday.
Yes.
Birthday, Ivy. God bless you all.
So, happy birthday kay Ivy, and I hope she would enjoy this day and I don't grow up fast.
Happy birthday, Ivy.
Very grounded, bro. Very happy.
Happy birthday, Ivy. God bless you all. Happy Ivy. I love you and bless us all.
Always.
Always.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Ivy. Happy birthday, Ivy. Wish you.
Oh, I miss you.
I wish you will be a good girl and God bless. Ivy, enjoy your day and be good to your parents always. Happy birthday, Ivy. I hope for your birthday you grow up to be a good Christian. You follow your parents and always be good to everyone. Happy birthday, Ivy. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Ivy. Sorry kung shortly ha. Many wishes to come and sana many achievements to achieve.
Happy birthday, Ivy. Happy birthday, Ivy. I wish you more birthday to come.
Happy 7th birthday, Denise. You're growing up so fast. And we're excited to see the woman you'll become. The day is all yours. Have fun.
Ivy, happy birthday. Tanggapin mo ito. Pero ang advice ko kayo, mga di ka permit kung magtulog. Pag may eskwela maayo, pagpagadihan mo si papa mo, nagka-opera sa sagwa, at si mama mo man. O mag-atod ganin ka sa salakyan, si mo pre ka sa salakyan nga avoid accident. Okay? Good health. Thank you.
Happy 7th birthday and wish ko lang good health and study well.
Happy 7th birthday. My wish, continue to be sweet and smart and continue to make your parents proud, okay? Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
You may not be understand right now, Ivy, but they said money is something. So please spend it wisely and happy birthday.